Look around you. Every person you see is trying to achieve something or the other in life. Their needs might be different, but they are all working towards achieving their goals. However, sometimes our quest to achieve our goals is hampered by our fears. Fears are like shadows. They follow and haunt us whenever we go. We are so intimidated by them that we fail to realize their magnitude and to see how trivial they are. This is when you must muster courage and learn how to face your fears head on. Hi everyone, this is Rupa. Welcome to Teachings of Life, the ultimate place to learn skills for the real world. Let's start today's topic of discussion by remembering Swami Vivekananda's beautiful quote. In a day when you don't come across any problems, you can be sure that you are traveling in a wrong path. We are not necessarily born courageous, but through life's successive dips and depressions, we slowly learn to acquire it. A simple yet powerful lesson on the mastery of fear can be drawn from the life of Swami Vivekananda, one of India's greatest spiritual teachers. The story which appears in the book God Lived With Them. The life stories of 16 disciples of Sri Ramakrishna. When Swami Vivekananda was just a youth in his mid-20s, he traveled to ancient city of Varanasi, located on the banks of river Gangas. This was in the years after the passing of his guru Sri Ramakrishna and before he went to America in 1893. On his arrival in Varanasi, Swami visited many holy places and met with many scholars of that time. Once Swami Vivekananda was returning from a temple when he happened to pass by a narrow lane. On one side of the lane was a huge water tank and a tall standing wall on the other. On that wall was a troop of monkeys, and monkeys being the way they are did not let him cross the road. They were all screaming and screeching at him. Also the lane was so narrow, Vivekananda has no other way to escape. Unable to think of anything else, he started marching in the direction away from them. The monkeys were not done yet, and they started running behind him. He was terrified and just kept on running, while one monkey from the troop was about to bite Vivekananda. An old man who was passing by exclaimed, "Fight with fears." As soon as he heard these words, a wave of courage hit him. He turned around and started back at the monkey. Much to his surprise, the monkey frightened and fled away. The incident left a deep impression on Vivekananda, and later in his lectures in United States, he used it as an example to exhort people to face the dangers and challenges of life bravely and not run away from them. The ultimate aim, he said, is not to enjoy life, but to conquer it, to gain a supreme mastery over our own self. This means gaining control over our fears and anxieties, so that no matter what situation we find ourselves in, our mental makeup is so strong that we come through unshaken and victorious. Fear is a vital emotion. It helps us protect ourselves from harm. However, fear often presents itself as irrational, which causes us to fear situations that are far from life-threatening. In that case, fear is no longer our friend, but our foe, as it holds us back from our dreams. It is normal to have fears, but the way you deal with them can determine whether or not you reach your full potential. You must face your fears, otherwise, they will hold you back from reaching your dreams. Therefore, said Swami Vivekananda, be bold and fear not. It is the fear that is the great cause of misery in this world. It is fear that is the greatest of all superstitions. It is fear that is the cost of our woes, and it is fearlessness alone that brings heaven even in a moment. Stand then and be free. What can frighten you? What can hold you down? Only ignorance and delusion of your true nature. Nothing else can bind you. You are the one being in the universe. If the sun comes down, the moon crumbles into dust, systems after systems are hurdled. Stand as a rock. You are a soul infinite and immortal. You are indestructible. Say to yourself, I have no fear because I am an existence absolute, bliss absolute, knowledge absolute. I am He. It is very easy to run away from everything, yet difficult to wake up. Don't run from your life, from your duties, from those around you. Wake up and face them as a challenge. With this beautiful quote, I end my today's topic of discussion. If you enjoyed my video, feel free to share it with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe. After all, sharing is caring. Thank you.